Hi friends, in previous class we have seen about various platforms, social media platforms, in which platforms we can promote, we can market our products and services and all. We have seen about those things. So in these social media platforms, we can either promote our business organically or we can go for ads also. We have learned these two things. So today we are going to learn how to make creatives. Okay, so if we see Facebook or Instagram or whatever it may be, most of the social media platforms uh, have media in them, right? So media is the main part in case of promoting. So how to create such kind of images, how to create such kind of videos. See, this is a sponsored ad. Okay, if you see this sponsored ad, this is looking very good. How to create such kind of images, videos, and also you can create animation kind of videos. How to create gifs and all, we are going to see. So in order to create such kind of creators, we are going to make use of some tools. Okay, these are all free tools, so by making use of these tools we can create them. So if you want to create some images or pictures, okay, we can go for free tools like Canva, Banner Snack. We can also go for Spark Adobe. Okay, we can use all these tools. And next thing is the video. If we want to make any videos, so then we can go for, yes, Bytable and Powtoon. So again, if you want to make any kind of animation characters or animation kind of videos, okay, you can go for tools like Animaker also. Not to make animation videos, you can go for Animaker, but this is also kind of videos, but they're animated videos. So if you want to make GIFs, we have seen this in case of might have seen this in case of WhatsApp or such kind of things. There will be small this. We can also create them. Such kind of things also you can post on social media platforms. So by using Jiffy, okay, by using Jiffy or by making use of either Animaker also, we can create these GIFs. So today we are going to see how to create all these things. So let's start with image. Okay, I'll show you how to make better images with the help of Canva. You people try with these things. Okay, so here in case of video, I'll show you people how to make a video with Bytable. So among all these things, I prefer Canva. Okay, we can also make videos in Canva also. Okay, so by in Bytable also, I'll show how to create a video and all. So in Animaker also, I'll show how to create animations and then Jiffy. Okay, so let's start with the Canva. So yes, in every tool, okay, in every tool I have to create an account. So I have already created an account in case of Canva. If you don't have any account, please create one. Okay, so with the help of this Canva, we can create many things. Okay, so here itself they'll be giving all the designs. We can create thumbnails for our YouTube channel. We can create an image. We can create a video. We can make presentations. We can create posters for Facebook. You can create Facebook cover pages. Facebook cover pages means, okay, I'll show you. So this is the Facebook cover page, the background cover page. This is the Facebook cover page. Okay, we can create such kind of cover pages also. Okay, so we can also create Instagram posts. If you see here, so for every poster or for every kind of different design, the dimensions will differ, the pixels will differ. See, in case of Instagram post, it is 1080 by 1080, and for Facebook cover, it is 2050 by 780. Okay, so like this, the dimensions will differ. So by using this kind of Canva, we can create many things. And if you want any custom dimensions, like if you want to create any picture for 100 by 100 pixels like that, then also we can go for custom dimensions here. Simply have to go for custom dimensions, and we have to enter the width and height, so that in that particular width and height itself we can create whatever things we want. Okay, so let me create one design here now. Okay, so if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail like such, you have to type here YouTube thumbnail. You can search here and you can choose it. Okay, these are all various pictures we have already created. Okay, these are all we are running current stories, right? We'll be creating all those pictures and all. Okay, all these Instagram postings and all here itself in Canva itself will be creating. Okay, so right, let me create one thing. You can also create logos. Guys, another thing is here you can create your visiting cards, flyers, pamphlet pages. You can also create your resumes. Okay, I'll also show how to create a resume and all now. Okay, so all these things you can create. Documents, infographics, so business cards. You can also create invitations, wedding invitations or like such. You can also create them. So postcards, magazine covers, brochures. Okay, this is very useful, guys. This will be very useful. But the thing here is, in case of Canva, we can use it for free for 1 month itself. After that, we have to go for paid version. We have to pay it in order to use some premium features. So every design will be having some premium features. So if you want to use those premium features, you have to go for paid thing. If you want to go with the free features itself, it's okay. You need not pay anything. Okay, menu, desktop wallpaper, gift covers, book covers, certificate also can create. Yes, all these things we can create with the help of Canva. So let me open one thing and okay, I'll go for YouTube thumbnail and I'll show you how to create a thing or not. So already they are showing us with some designs. If you are interested in these things, okay, please go for this thing and you can choose one. Otherwise, simply click a blank thumbnail. So now, okay, it is showing many things. So if you want to create a thumbnail for digital marketing, okay, if you want to advertise for digital marketing trainings and all, you can simply search for such kind of templates also. Okay, digital marketing. Okay, so like this you can apply them. Okay, you can apply them and you can change this text and all. Okay, you can also add some pages. You can duplicate these pages, means the same image will be duplicated again. You can delete it. Okay, you can do all those things. You can also crop these things. So if you click here and detach image from background, if you want only this bird's image, then you can simply crop it. Okay, you can crop these things. You can use things wherever you want, like such. Okay, so you can also apply some effects to them if you want to remove any background. Okay, so background remover also works, means the background will be removed so that the picture will be compatible with whatever background it may be. The picture will be compatible. The background will be orange, it will be compatible with that kind of color also. Okay, so like this, only the birds will be appearing. See, like this, you can use these images wherever you want. If you want to create some kind of image on your own, like such. Okay. So now, if I apply some background colors on all, this picture will be compatible with each and everything. See, now it is compatible with whatever color we use. Okay. See, like this, we can also apply some effects to images also. So we can also choose whatever background colors we want. See, there are various background colors. Okay, so landscapes, patterns, gradients, like this we can choose whatever colors we want. We can also choose some designs like this. Okay, so either we can also go for some elements. Okay, elements means like this. Okay, if you keep some image in this. Okay, so let me add some image. So uploads. So right, let me show you. So like this it will appear. In this way you can also make your things creative. Okay, so uploads means I can upload some pictures from my system or my desktop or laptop, like such. You can copy some images from Google also and you can upload here. Next thing, so let me start with basics. You can also add text. If you click here, you can add text. There are various designs in case of text also. You can choose them. Otherwise, you can go for simple headings. So I'll write something like mm, social media. Okay. You can also go for changing fonts here. Okay. Whatever fonts you want, you can choose here. Like this. You can also increase its size and color. Okay. You can also change color here. So whether you want blue or black or whatever you want, you can choose. You can also increase the size, font size 100. Okay, like that you can keep, right. um you can also increase the length between the text. Okay, like this. So letter height means the bottom will increase like this. Okay, so if it is letter, the spacing between the letters will increase. So if it is letter height, I'll show you. Social media marketing. Okay, so if it is letter height, mm, the spacing between two lines will increase or decrease. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Okay, you can align this text either in the center or either in the left or right, whatever it may be, you can align it. You can also underline this text. Okay, so you can also capitalize this text, or you can also make use of small letters like that. Whatever you want, you can make all these things. So you can also apply some background colors. If you want any plain colors or some designs, you can go for these background colors, or else you can go for photos also. Okay, you can upload some photos in the background also. So right, I'll search for something. If you are searching for anything, you can choose. So I'll choose for background. So I want some background images like such. So it will be showing you various images. So like this, you can choose whatever colors you want and all. Okay. So these are elements. In case of elements, you can choose various kinds of shapes and all. Okay. So you might have seen like some people might be adding simple images here. Okay. Some people might be adding some images like this. You can also add images by going to photos, or you can copy those images, or from any Google like such, and you can upload here and you can make use of them. So for example, you want a YouTube logo, then you can go for YouTube logos also. If you search here, you'll get all these logos. See, simply you can decrease its size in whatever way you want, and you can use it. Okay, like this you can make use of individual pictures, you can make use of individual templates and all, and you can make whatever designs you want. Okay, in
From
this,
here, we can keep our photos also.
yes, you can keep your photos also, whatever you want. The thing you have to do
Okay.
is you have to upload. Okay, simply go to uploads here. So there will be a feature called uploads. Here it is. So click on upload media, and then you can upload from your device also. If your photos are from Facebook or Google Drive, you can upload from them also. So simply from
Okay, ma'am.
device means you can choose whatever image you want and you can upload it. And next thing is you can also create some folders. Means you can create multiple folders and you can group your designs. If you have created some 10 designs, you can group 3 designs under one folder, 2 designs under one folder, like that. You can group your designs also. Okay. So right, so I'll show you. So if you see, some things will be under pro. See, this is pro. Okay, means this background will be a paid one. You can use this background for free. For a month you can use it. Okay, for a month you can use this background for free. If you hover over it, it will show you whether it is free version or pro version. If it is free, okay, you can use this thing happily after. Okay, after 1 month also you can use them. But if you go for a pro designs, okay, means premium kind of designs, okay, you'll get a watermark on it like Canva. Okay, like that, light watermark background of Canva will be appearing on that picture. So it might be a bit disturbing for you people. So if you want to use pro designs after a month also, please go for payment. Okay, so right, you can also create videos. So I'll show you. So simply click on videos. So now the video will be running. You can make it as a background. In this video, you can add text and all again. You can keep some text here. You can add text and all. You can run this. Okay. You can also trim these videos. Okay. See, it is for 6.5 seconds, right? We can trim these videos also. So simply drag it. So now it will be running for 2.2 seconds only. Like this, you can trim your videos. You can add whatever designs you want also. You can place your photos and all in your videos and all. Then you can make your videos also. Clear till now? Actually, Canva is one of the best platforms, guys. When compared to this Banner Snack and Spark Adobe, for me, Canva is better. I prefer Canva more. I make my own YouTube thumbnails and all from Canva itself. So any doubts you can ask me. So if you don't know what is the color combination and all like such, simply go for styles. Here it will only choose. Okay. See, the text color and all is changing. Okay. Let me remove this thing. Okay. Let me choose some plain background. The It is not appearing in a proper way. So I'll keep it here. You can simply drag and drop, guys. That's it. You can simply drag and drop whatever wherever you want. Okay. Now, if you see, if you choose these kind of things, it will only automatically select what is good for you. Okay. So let me write another text also, like subheading, heading, based on your length text and all. You can choose whatever things we want. So hi. You can also change its angle and all. Okay. So I'll make it as some 45, let's say. Okay. Now if I choose any color and all style, okay, see, this is in one color and this is in another color. Based on that, you can choose your own style and color combinations also. If you want to make it slightly tilty like such, you can also make it. Okay, see, like this, you can tilt the text, you can change the text angle also. You can do whatever things you want. You can also add some elements like this. Okay, like borders, you can add borders, elements and all. You can apply this kind of stickers. Okay, this kind of movement kind of things in images and all. Okay, graphs, we can go for charts and graphs. Okay, like this, you can use whatever kind of images you want. Okay, so we can do all these things with the help of Canva. And let me go for next thing. Under more, you can see various apps and integrations. So let's think that you don't like any kind of images in Canva, so it is showing me with various kind of designs and pictures, right? So if you are not satisfied with them, you can also get your pictures from Pixels also. Pixels, Pixabay, all these are pictures. Okay, you can get pictures from them. There'll be no copyright from there. Okay, you can go for Pixels or Pixabay. Okay, so please make a note of them. You can get pictures from them. Okay, so Pixels, Pixabay, you'll also be getting good images. So let me show you Pixabay and all. You can get some background images, or else you can get some kind of good uh, animal images like this. You can get whatever images you want. If you search for anything, it will show you. If you get images from here, there will be no copyrights, guys. There will be no copyright. Some images will be free, okay, and some images will be of paid thing like such. You have to decide. So let me go for some dog images. So puppies, okay, like this you can get. So if you see on Facebook like such, you'll be seeing various kind of images, right? And memes like that, they'll be posting their puppy images like that. They'll be promoting by making use of food. Okay, puppy food like such. So animal food, they'll be using some animal images which will be very cute. So from here you can get some free images which do not have any kind of copyright issues. So happily you can download these images and you can upload them to Canva and you can make use of them. Otherwise, in Canva only you'll get some images. Okay, so in Canva itself, you can search for images like puppies, like such. Okay, see, even they'll be good. Okay, so if you are not satisfied with them, you can go for this Pixabay pixels, like such kind of things. Okay, so next, let's go and see about resumes. Okay, how to create a resume and all. With the help of this Canva, we can make visual resumes. Okay, I'll show you what is meant by visual resume and all. It is very good for digital marketing career and all. So normal resumes, we create them with the help of Word, right? MS Word or Microsoft Word. But in order to create a visual resume, these kind of platforms are best. Whether it may be Canva or Bannersnap or Spark Adobe, these are best. So let me zoom in a bit, okay, so that you people can see clearly. 50%. Right? So like this, you can create visual resumes. You can edit all these text and create your resumes. You can also upload your images. So if you see, you can also upload your images, whatever design you want, whatever template is suitable for your thing, you can create it. Or else you can go for a blank template and you can add elements to it. Like that, you can only create your resume. So here you can also upload your image. Simply what you have to do is, so you have to go to uploads, upload media from your device, and then you can do it. So simply drag and drop your picture here. Simply it will be replaced. That's it. Okay, you can change the font. Okay, you can change the font size, color, whatever you want, you can change. Okay, so let me go for templates again. In case of templates, you can, this is a modern resume it seems. Okay, so like this you can create whatever resumes you want. So this is a kind of resume for IT project manager. It seems you can change this text and all, no issues. You can change this text and all. So the text font is markerless something. You can change this font text and all also. Okay, like this you can create a visual resume also. So if you are a digital marketer, please go with a visual resume so that your creativity will appear there. Okay, so your creativity, your way of thinking will reflect in your resume, so that there are more chances to hire you people. So you can go for video presentations also, like PPTs. Okay, paper PowerPoint presentations. You can use these things also. You can add multiple pages again. See, this is the first slide. You can go for second slide also. In second slide, you can change the text and all, and you can give a presentation. Okay, so you can also trim this seconds and all. Okay, so it is 9.4 seconds, right? I want to display it only for 3 seconds like such. Okay, you can do it. Okay, like that you can create a PowerPoint presentation or anything also. It is much better when compared to PowerPoint. You have to drag and drop everything and all. Here simply you can choose one template or design what we like, and we can simply edit this text, these images and all. Okay, it is much easier when compared to other platforms than going for Photoshop or Corel Draw. It is better, guys. In order to learn Photoshop and all, it will take you a month or like such. Here you can do it in an hour like such, hour or more than less than that. Okay, so you can also create your own logos, flyers, posters, and all. Okay, Instagram posts, write logos. Here they'll be giving some suggestions also. Facebook posts, Instagram stories also. For each and every posting, you'll have your own dimension. So based on the dimensions, you can create. Again, you no need to set the dimensions and all. Okay, it is best for various social media platforms. Documents, yes, Facebook covers, videos, all these things you can create with the help of Canva. Okay, so this is about Canva. Let me go for banners now also. I'll show you how it will look and all. So Banasnack is also a platform where we can create such kind of images, creatives, and all in order to post on social media platforms. So you have to create an account on each and every platform, guys. That's mandatory. I'll simply click on make a banner like such. So it is asking me to log in. Let me log in. Okay, so we'll make a design. Get access now means it will be giving you multiple designs and all. So let me click here. So here it is giving you various shapes and sizes. Okay, width and height of your creative and all. So you can choose whatever size you want, or otherwise you can go for a custom size also. So I'll choose square. So I feel Canva is much more better when compared to all these things, guys. So I mostly prefer Canva itself. Here also you can choose some background things and all. Okay, like this you can choose background things and you can edit this text and all. Okay, so rectangle, button text. Okay, so all these things you can edit it seems. So animator. So all these are things will these things will be free for only some time I think. So it will be showing a preview. Like this you can also create animations. These animations we can do in Canva also. So okay, like this we can create some animations. If you want to apply anything, you have to upgrade again, which means you have to pay money in order to use these things. Okay, so like this we can make various types of creatives and all. Text, we can add text to whatever things we want. It is simple to similar to Canva itself, but I feel Canva is better. That's it. You can go with your own preference and all. So like this, you can add whatever buttons you want, and you can also edit the text. Also, you can change the text and all. Okay, so zoom in. Yeah. Okay. So we can also resize and all. So if you want to create any kind of banner ads and all, you can create like this. can go for elements, whether you want to add any photos or anything. If you want to upload your things, you can upload here. Templates means predefined templates, predefined designs. You can make use of these predefined designs if you want. Okay. So like this, you can use your predefined designs also. Again, if you want to use them, you have to upgrade. Okay. So Pro. Right. This is about Banner Snack, guys. So Spark Adobe also, we people try once. Okay, so if you want any photos for free or some images for free without any risk or like such any copyright issues like such, you can go for Pixels or Pixabay. You can also go for Shutterstock. It is also a platform where you can get various images. So if you want an image, simply search there, you'll get whatever thing you want. Okay, so all these are platforms where you can get free images. You can use these images wherever you want. These are free from copyright issues. Okay, so let me go for video. Okay, I'll go with Bytable. So Bytable will also be good. Nice. These images will be nice. The clarity will also be good, guys, here. So let me close these things. And yep. Bytable is a video making platform. In Canva also we can make videos, but in case of Bytable, it is specifically defined for videos itself. Okay, here also you have to create a account and all. I have already created an account. Let me log in here. Okay, so it is mainly meant for creating videos. You can choose any template. Okay, start with an empty video, or else you can go with an empty video, or else you can choose whatever thing you want. See, the celebrate Black Friday early with 40% off. Okay, you can use this code and you can buy some premium features like such, it seems. Okay, you can choose a template and all. If you see, you can see a mini video here. Okay, like this, you can choose a template if you want. Otherwise, you can go for a empty video also. Okay, so they'll be giving a trial also if you don't know anything. See, custom watermark. Do you want a watermark or not? If you on this watermark means biteable. Okay, biteable. The text will be appearing in the background like a watermark. It will be appearing. Okay, please off this feature. I'll go with off only. Don't go with on. So something my wonderful video and all. You can also choose the shape, whatever shape you want your video. Okay, so continue. Right, so now here you can choose animations. Okay, whatever things you want you can choose. If you hover these things, it will play for a minute like such, I think. So you can also go for videos and images. Okay, simply you can choose some videos or some images and make it as a video, or else you can upload your own things here, your own videos and all you can upload here. Okay, so right. Okay, I created something nice. Hmm, animations, I'll go for animation. So let me choose this thing. So under each and everything, there are some titles and all. Okay. So if you have any problem and all, you can reply them. You can have a chat with them. Simple message for the world. Okay. Okay. So nice. I'll choose this thing. So based on your video, based on your thing, please choose. Okay, please choose the background images on top. Okay, if you are making cooking videos, these things are suitable. If you are going with some kind of educational thing, you have to search for the scene and all. Okay, you have to choose a background scene, proper background scene and all. Okay, so let me choose this thing. The look and feel has changed a bit, guys. Before it was not like this. So this is the watermark I'm saying about. Okay, so if you go with the pro version, if you are going with paid version, this watermark will not appear in your video. Otherwise, you will get a watermark like this. Okay, so here also there is a watermark. You can change this text. Okay. Hmm. I'm writing some code like this. I'll try to write some code. Will make you grow while external force will kill you, like something like that. I'm writing something. Okay. So I'm not good at these codes and all. Mm, okay. So like this, you can give some code. You can place it wherever you want. Okay. So right, you can also change its font and all. You can change your wish. You can also change your thing. Okay. So how much size it should be, whether it is normal or italic. Okay, like this you can choose. So text color, what should be the text color and all you can choose. Okay. So whether it should be on left side or right side, like that you can choose. Whatever thing you want, you can choose. Okay. Text animations, how it should be. If you want no animation, you can choose. Otherwise, slide with reveal. Like this, it will appear. Okay. Scale down. Okay, like this you can create some animations also. Okay, in the same way you can add multiple slides also, multiple scenes. This is the first scene, let's think that this is the first scene, right? So in the same way you can add multiple scenes. Okay, you can also add music guides. So I don't know whether you can hear the music or not. So are you able to hear the music? You can also
No.
add, sorry, then only I can hear the music, I think. So if you add any music play also you can add. If you like any music and all, background music and all, you can add whatever track you want, you can choose. Otherwise, you can upload your own. Okay, I'll choose one background music thing also. So, right, 1 point line height, how much it should be and all. So like this, you can choose whatever thing you want. Okay. Nice. So you can add multiple scenes like this. So you can create your own video. So let me choose this thing. Okay. So you can drag and drop these things. So you can change their positions also, no issues. So scene transition means if you click here, you can either swipe left or swipe right like that. Okay. You can choose whatever thing you want. Okay. So let me click here and edit this thing. So you can edit these things and all. Okay. So video settings. So you can change the shape of the video and all also. The thing here is you have to have some patience and all. Okay, you have to have some patience and then you have to start editing. Okay, you'll get wonderful videos you can create. So right. So let me see in transition. Swipe up like such. Okay, let me play this thing. Now we'll be getting a background music as well as you can see this thing. Like that it will be swiping up. Okay, nice, right? Okay, you can also delete or add another text kind of things and all. Okay, after that you have to click on download. Okay, once you click on download, whether okay, it will ask you whether a free thing or a premium thing. If you go for a premium thing, you'll not be getting the, okay, you'll not be getting the watermark and also you'll be getting a HD quality video. But if you go with a free one, you'll be getting a watermark on it. Okay, like this as I shown you. Okay, in the video you'll be getting a watermark like this. Okay, like this you can choose various kinds of biteable formats. You can go for normal videos. Okay, you can go for normal videos or else you can go for animated kind of things also. Here it is giving a tutorial also how to create a video and all. Okay, so let me choose some normal kind of video and all. So I'll go for videos and images. So you can add multiple images, background music and all, text and all on your own, and you can create a video also. So you can also search for images. I'll search for some kind of education videos, education kind of background and all. So this is the thing. Okay, love to learn. Okay, right, click here to edit. So simply you can write whatever text you want, and you can go for adding multiple slides also. Right, okay. So you can add, if you want to add any other text template, you can add like this. Otherwise, I'll remove it. Okay, so right. Now, but you can also add an animation kind of thing and all. You can also add background color. If you want any, you can add. No animation. So simple fade, scale down. You can also reduce the video, guys. So it is, if it is for 3 seconds or like such, you can reduce the video length also. How much video length you want and all. Simply keep here and you can drag and drop. Okay, you can drag it and adjust the size of the video also. Right, you can add multiple scenes again by clicking here. You can export these things also. Export means again downloading where you want to share this video on that. Okay, so if you want to add, again you can click here. You can either go for animations, again go for uploads also. If you want to upload anything, you can upload again. So right, I'll reduce the size of the video. So I want it only for 3 seconds or 4 seconds. I don't want much. Okay, so here you can edit. Start learning now. So the thing is, yeah, you must have some patience, and you have to choose a proper background, proper music, proper kind of text and all. Then you are ready to go. Okay, so simply click on
Here we
now.
can add photos, ma'am.
Yes, you can add photos also here. If you go for add, here there is an option called upload. Right?
Okay,
You can
ma'am.
upload your own photos and you can create a video. You can add background music and all. Uh, then whatever thing you want, you can reduce or increase the size. You can add some text and all you can do. Okay, you can also
Okay.
go for animations, but in case of animations, you have to search. Okay, see explainer. If you want to explain about anything, you can go clear concepts. Okay, like that. There are various animated kind of things. Okay, based on that, you have to choose. See, if you are giving any advertisement or such kind of things. Okay, giving about a handshake like that, you can create a small kind of movie also with the case of animations. Okay, so like that, you have to choose proper signs. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
if you are doing some kind of exercises, you can show like these kind of things also. If you are advertising about a gym and all, you can go with this. So you can get some kind of images and all. Right. So like this, with the help of Bytable, we can create, okay, videos of our own. We can go for animation videos and all also. Okay. So for the case of animation videos, I'll show you Animaker also. Please try this Powtoon also. Okay. You people try with Powtoon also. It will also be similar to Bytable. I'll go with Animaker now. Animaker will be very good for animation videos. We can create our own characters, their hairstyle and all. You can design. You can go with good animation videos. Okay, here also we must have an account. So let me log in. This is Animaker. Here also we can create based on our wish. Okay, we can create introduction videos, extro videos. Extro means okay, intros and outros, introduction videos and out. While ending the video, will be showing some thank you screen, subscribe screen like that. Right? You can also create such kind of intros and outros. We can create videos for social media for the sake of presentation kind of videos. Okay, like this you can create whatever videos you want. See, horizontal, vertical, square, whatever, what kind of things you want. If you want videos to be posted on YouTube, Instagram, like such, you can choose them based on the size and all. You can choose here. Otherwise, you can go for blank videos also. Okay, so let me go with one thing. So this thing I created, I think. Right. You can also have some templates. Okay, like this, you can choose your own characters. So let me choose this thing. You can make them walk, you can make them explain, It is very good for animation videos, guys. Okay, so like this, you can choose whatever character you want. Okay, or else you can add your own character also. So simply click on create your own. Okay, if you choose female or male, okay, whatever you want, you can choose. I'll choose female one. Okay, here you can choose whatever type of girl you want. Okay, if you are going with a professional kind of video, you can choose professional characters, or if you are making any kind of personal videos like this, you can go with what you want. Okay, I'll go with this one. So here you can change her complexion, you can change her hair style and all you can do. Okay, so you can choose hair. Okay, if you want what kind of hair you want, like that you can choose. So like this, you can design her hairstyle and all. You can go with her face shape also. Okay, what kind of shape you want and all. So like that you can see. Okay, you can change her eyes and eyebrows. Okay, actually it is very good for animation videos, guys. I liked it very much. Okay, you can also go for complexion, color. Okay, what color do you want? Her complexion is changing, so you can go with eyebrows and all. You can change for with nose. Okay, lips. So what kind of lips you want? So you want this kind of mouth or this kind of mouth? You can choose. So I'm good with this thing. Simply save. Now you can simply use this character in your videos. Okay. So new character. If you want to create again a new character, you can choose that. Otherwise, I'll go to dashboard. Okay, now I have created one character. So if you want it to create a character directly, simply go with create. There itself you can create your own character, like create a video. If you want to create a GIF, also you can create. If you want to create a character, you can create. If you can also create your own voice. If you are explaining something with the help of that animated video, if you want to give a voice over, also you can give. You can also create a presentation. Okay, but these things are pro things, I think. Okay, so simply go with a video. I want to create a video, right? So I'll go with the social media kind of things. Hello there, I'll do this. Right. So you can choose whatever character you want. I go with the one I created now. Okay, simply click here. Here it will show what all create characters I've created now. I'll click it here. So I'll simply remove him. Okay. So I'll simply delete him. You can delete him, or you can change his position, color, complexion. You can give a voice. You can make him walk like such. You can do. So simply click on action. So you can choose him to walk. Okay. So now he is waving his hand, right? You can make him cry. You can make him explain. Okay. So sit, explain. So like this, he will be doing some action. I'll choose walking. See, in this way he is walking. Okay, so after you make some changes, please save it. Okay, so I'll simply delete this character now. So I'll go with my created one. So this one also I'll delete. Okay, so you can change the expressions and mood also. It's nice. Okay. Hmm. Very good, guys. It's very good. I'll decrease the length of the video. I don't want this much. Okay, let me start. Okay, so if you go for a publish, you can download the video. I think you'll get a watermark if you download it for free. So my own character, I'll delete this character. Yes, delete it. Delete. Okay, now I can use her. Okay, if you click on a character, you'll get all the actions. What all actions you want? You can make him walk and such. You can make her think. Okay, so now I can add some text and all also. So I'll add some heading. If you want to go for any kind of designs and all, in case of text, you can go for them. I'll simply add. Um, want to learn something or want to grow in your career, like such, I'll write something. So you can create your own presentations. It will be very good. Want to grow your business or like that, I'll write some text. You can give a question mark here. You can also add animations to this text, guys. Again, business. Okay, I'll move it aside. Okay, so you can add multiple scenes here also. So letter spacing and all. If you want to increase letter spacing, okay, you can do this. Otherwise, you can go for transparency, means visibility. Okay, how visible it should be. Okay, so you can increase your decrease your transparency. You can also enter an effect, means animations. Okay, so pop left or pop right, like this. You can add some kind of animations also. So right, this is the first one. You can also add again music, guys. You can add music also. So very good. There are many things. You can add images if you want. You can upload your own images also. So here there is an upload option. You can add videos directly. Okay, if you want any videos, you can add them also. So music, if you want to give any background music, you can add. I'm hearing a music here. When I hover over this thing, I don't know whether you are able to hear or not. Okay, I'll add some music also. Music track added. Nice. So let me add one more slide. If you click here, you can add a slide or add a scene, or else you can click here also. Okay. So this is what. Okay, let me add a scene and all. So scene two. So scene two, you can add again your own characters on your text if you want. I'll add some video now. So right, again on this video, you can add some text and all. So let me go for third scene. So here in the third scene, see like this, you can upload some kind of animation things and all. So you have to upgrade your things in order to use them. I think this is for free. You can use this. See, like this, your video will appear. So let me play the entire video. So it will take some time to download, guys. So you have to delete. So like this, you'll be getting a, what is this thing? Okay, right, let me off this. Okay, like this you can see a video, but if you are not going for pro, okay, you'll be getting a watermark there. Okay, you'll be getting a watermark. So if you want to get a clear video, you can go for paid things also. Okay, so you have to design each and every slide. You have to design properly each and every slide. Okay, here I'm getting one thing. Let me delete this thing also. Hello there and all. So check your video once. Check your entire video before you are publishing it. Okay. So once you click here, you can play your video. So hello there. I have to remove that thing, right? Like this. Please check once and remove all the things, and you can apply whatever scenes you want. You can also change the background colors and all. Okay. Search for backgrounds. You can also apply a thing like such. Okay. You have to upgrade things. You can apply office backgrounds. You can also apply such kind of backgrounds. Okay, like this we can apply what kind of backgrounds we want. Okay, whatever backgrounds we want, we can apply them, or else you can search for them. Okay, so apply proper backgrounds. We must have some patience. Again, as I'm saying, we must have some patience and some creativity, some interest in order to do all these things. Okay, if you have those things, you can create amazing videos. Simply you can create. Okay, it is very simple when compared to other things. You can also add some images and all. Okay, so another thing is, with the help of animaker you can create okay, gifs also. Gifs. Okay, let me create one gif. So they are giving already some previews. Okay, let me go blank. Right, you also can use on your own characters and all. Okay, items, what items represent here is showing me. Okay, so this is it. Okay, you can also integrate with all these apps, guys. But I don't know why it is not clearly getting displayed. You can upload your things here. Yes. Okay. So search for GIFs. Let me show you some GIFs also. You can use a predefined GIFs also. Okay. It's okay. It is taking some time. You can add some effect and create it as a GIF. Effect means, okay, you can add some kind of animation effects and all. You can make it as a GIF again. Right. Let me go with the created GIF. Okay. You can edit these things and all. You can take a plain kind of thing. You can add your own text there and all like that. See, you can change this text and you can add some GIF. Okay. Like this, you can make GIFs also. It will be very good for GIFs also. Animaker will be good for GIFs and animation videos. So let's go for Jiffy and all. Okay. So if you have any doubts and all, you can ask me now about this Animaker and all. You can ask. So I'll go for Jiffy. It is mainly meant for creating GIFs, guys. Mainly meant for creating GIFs, but I didn't like it very much. I didn't like it very much. So we can't download the GIFs we created here. We have to simply upload them to Jiffy itself, or else we can share it in some kind of platforms, but we cannot download what we have created here. I didn't like these GIFs that much. Okay, you can create your GIFs. You can upload your ones. Okay, so GIF sticker backdrop. Okay, GIF, you have to upload some picture and all like this. Okay, so you can make some changes. You can add some text, guys, caption like um bike something. I'm adding some text. Okay, you can either make it like a pixel. Okay, like this you can change some text, its color and all. Okay, like this you can create some GIFs. Okay, rainbow color. Like this you can choose whatever things you want. You can also add some stickers. Okay, like this you can add some stickers to your thing. Simply drag and drop, or else if you click also it will work out. Okay, like this you can add some stickers. So, but I didn't feel it that much good when compared to Animaker and Canva and all. Okay, this is not that okay. So filters, you can go for some filters also like that. You can show it like spooky. Okay, not okay. You can add something like lightening. Okay, oh, right. Like this, you can create some GIFs. So next, draw. You can draw something. Search for stickers like white sticker. So like this, you can choose some stickers. So you can place it wherever you want. Okay, all over the screen also you can place them. Okay, like this you can create some GIFs. But thing here is we can upload it to either GIF or you can share it, but we can't download this thing. That is one issue. Okay, source URL you have to enter some tags and we can enter we can create these GIFs and we can simply upload it to Jiffy. We can't download these things. I've tried more times, but I can't create it. Okay, so in this way we can create images, videos, animation videos and GIFs also. Okay, so for images and videos, Canva and Bytable are much more better. And for creating animation videos and GIFs, I prefer Animaker. It is very good. Okay, like this we can make creatives for free by making use of some tools. Okay, no need of any paid things or not.